Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start now. Make sure the Wf-1000xm4 case have some charge, and the iPhone is unlocked with Bluetooth open. Open the case and remove the earbuds. They'll try to connect. If they don't, press and hold both touch sensors for several seconds until you see a flashing white LED. This forces pairing mode. On the iPhone, stay on the Bluetooth screen and watch for Wf-1000xm4 to appear. This is the first actionable step to establish a connection. Once you tap the device name on the iPhone, the earbuds will pair and route audio. Make sure you accept any connection prompts. Next, install the Sony Headphones Connect app. This is important because it handles firmware updates, adaptive sound control, and EQ settings. Open the app while the earbuds are connected. Follow the guided setup and grant microphone and location permissions so the app can detect and manage the earbuds correctly. This completes the core setup and unlocks advanced features. Finish by testing audio and toggling active noise cancellation and ambient modes to confirm control. If the app prompts a firmware update, install it now. Updates fix stability and Bluetooth issues. If sound is low or one earbud disconnects, make sure both are seated in the case, then reboot them by powering off and back on. If problems persist, forget the device in iPhone Bluetooth, reset the earbuds in the app or with the case button, and repair. That reset step usually resolves lingering pairing fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.